Over the weekend, the Trump administration proposed a possibility of a 50-year mortgage rate, and people have come out of the woodwork to tell everyone how bad that is. But I'd like to take the opportunity to talk about the good sides of it. Number one, we all know that the return on renting is zero equity, and growing your wealth always starts with the home. Most people's net worth are greatly impacted by the ownership of a home. So even a little bit of equity, even though it may be established over a longer period of time, can still make a difference and be far better than someone renting. The second thing is it gives you lower monthly payments compared with the 30-year mortgage rate. I know that people have talked about the impact, well, the rate would be a little bit higher. And yes, that's correct because it's a little bit more risk of the bank. But it still allows someone, because they're paying far less principal every month, to actually get into a home and be able to afford it. And by spreading out those payments, we also have a debt to income ratio that's a lot lower. So that's going to make it more affordable for those people, especially first-time home buyers trying to get into the market. Next, a 50-year term can make owning a home cheaper than renting. We know that at least in the early years, it gets them into the home and allows them to start building some equity. Now, people are staying in their homes a lot longer, and people typically don't keep their mortgage rates for as long as the typical 30-year rate. Most people refinance within 7 to 8 years, and I think that would happen too if we allowed this 40-year rate, or 40 or 50-year rate to come about. Borrowers can still make extra payments towards the principal. As a matter of fact, because they have a lower payment, they might have the opportunity to pay an extra $100 1 or 2 months out of the year, which could significantly impact the length and the interest that they would be dealing with. And finally, the last piece of it, as inflation rises, the real value of the fixed payment declines over time. So you're beating inflation by being in the house and you're locked in at that mortgage payment. It's not always a negative. Is it right for everyone? Certainly not. But for some buyers, especially first-time home buyers that are priced out of the market right now, it can put homeownership within reach. So before you completely poo-poo the idea of a 40 or a 50-year mortgage rate, think about all of the impacts. Yes, there are some negatives, but there are also a lot of significant positives. Don't forget to like and subscribe below if you enjoyed the video, and I'd always love to hear your comments.